Hello everyone, welcome to our tax practitioners course overview. My name is CPA Innocent Mugisha from Apex Tax and Accounting School. I'm here to take you through this very interesting course, which is the tax practitioners course. The aim and objectives of the course are already indicated. The aim and learning outcomes of the course can be seen clearly on the landing page. And of course, we are saying that on completion of this course, as a learner, you should be able to explain the different forms of taxation for individuals and organizations. You should be able to compute the different tax liabilities for individuals and corporate bodies. You should be able to have an in-depth knowledge and understanding of the practical concepts and principles of income tax returns. Here we focus very much on the income tax returns. You should be able to gain the ability to examine the various line items on the income tax returns and all the other returns, file various tax returns of income, VAT, and customs, and also be able to use the IFRS new tax management information system. So on this page here, we have the in-depth course overview, which of course begins with unit number 1, where I take you through the introduction to tax practice. Here you should expect a full discussion on the tax registration procedure, requirements and benefits. I'll be able to take you through those procedures that you go through if you want to register as an individual, as a company. The benefits of registration and the requirements are covered here. I take you through the tax imposed upon registration. I take you through issues of tax agents and tax payers charter. Of course, this course aims at supporting the tax agents. We talk about the change of registration details and penalties and offenses. Unit 2 of the course, I take you through the income tax returns. Here we shall discuss the tax return types. You're going to find the extension of return filing date. If you want to extend your return filing, I'll be taking you through the procedure, and of course taking you through an in-depth discussion of the tax return types. I'll be taking you through the advanced returns. I take you through the tax assessments. Unit 3 covers pay returns, which is the return we file for employment. So I take you through the scope of employment. I give you an in-depth discussion on the chargeable employment income. I take you through employee relief. I take you through pay return submission procedure, which takes us into Unit 4, which covers rental tax returns. Here I take you through the meaning and scope of rental income tax in accordance with Section 2 of the Income Tax Act. I take you through the imposition of rental tax as per Section 5. I take you through determining rental income tax liability. I take you through tax return submission procedure. You should be able to clearly understand the should be able to clearly understand the rental tax return procedure. The course is practical in nature, so everything we're going to be covering here is hands-on. You're going to be filing the returns. We shall be looking at the challenges that you may encounter in filing the returns and how to troubleshoot. Unit 5 covers presumptive tax returns. Under this, we shall be talking about the scope of presumptive tax. We cover the presumptive tax rates. We cover the fines and penalties, and also the return submission procedure. Unit number 6 covers WHT, which is withholding tax return, DT 2006 return form. I fully take you through the purpose of the return form, DT 2006 self-assessment form. I take you through the scope of WHT. I take you through the modules of withholding tax. I take you through the return submission procedure. Then, of course, that takes us into Unit 7, which covers director's returns. Under this, I give the purpose of the director's return, DT 2007. I take you through the scope of the director's return, composition of director's emoluments, and the return submission procedure. You know, you've been, of course, coming across this people talking about director's return. So in this course, I'm going to cover all that, so that by the end of the course, you're able to file the director's return. Unit 8 goes into business income tax. Of course, here we talk about the composition of business income. We talk about the different tax rates, fines and penalties, and the procedures. Actually, if you look at the page, where you have landed or where you're watching this video, you're going to find that all of these units have been covered under the course outline. As you can see, we cover a lot of things in this course, including the introduction to income tax, unit 2, employment income tax, unit 3, we have property income tax, unit 4, rental income tax, withholding tax, presumptive tax, business income tax, value added tax, customs, IFRIS. So all this is covered in the course, and if you want to look at the details, what we cover lecture by lecture, you see that here when you click on the button, on this button, you'll be able to see a full display of the units, what is covered under each unit, the lectures covered under each unit. For instance, under unit 1, you'll be able to see that we have the introduction to tax practice, tax registration procedure, requirements and benefits, taxes imposed, and all that. So you're going to see that all these things are covered, including the income tax returns, the tax return types, the extension of return filing date, advance returns. So many things are covered in this course, including payee return, the rental tax return, the presumptive tax return, and so on. So I recommend that you don't waste any more time. Just look at the pricing plans that we have. Still on the same page, you'll be able to see that we have 3 major pricing plans, including the free trial. You can always try the course for free. This is a 7 days limited access to the course. Then we also have live online, where you can attend a live interactive lecture with me. We share the Zoom link with you if you have made the payment, and of course the benefits are also given here. We also have the self-paced pricing plan, which you can start immediately, and the fees are given here. You should be able to see the fees. They may be the ones as per this video, or they may have increased or decreased. There are cases where you have discounts, and there are seasons where we give the course at 50%, and of course there may also be increases in the course pricing. Under the self plan, what we do, we give you access to the e-learning platform, and that means that you're going to study following your own pace. You have access to the lecture videos, you have access to the lecture notes and slides, you have access to tests and quizzes, you have access to the mock examination, and then also practice questions with solutions, practice activities. Of course, not to forget that this course, under all pricing plans, except the free trial, you'll be able to get a certificate at the end. Self-paced pricing plan is perfect for participants unable to attend the live Zoom classes, which is ideally labeled as the best value here. The live online means that you get to attend a live interactive lecture. You'll be able to ask questions and get answers in real time. So among the benefits include the live online lectures, instructor-led and interactive lectures, lecture notes and slides. You get to attend class assignments and tests. You get access to mock examinations. You get access to practice questions with solutions. And then again, you have 24-hour tutor support. The 24-hour tutor support is actually available under both the live online and self-paced pricing plans. So of course you'll be able to see the target group, all individuals that want to pursue a career in accounting, and all those that want to kickstart their own business, or consultants in taxation can attend this very, very nice course. The course also comes with course resources like books, revision kits, and a textbook. You can always purchase these ones separately by clicking on the landing page. So I want to wish you all the best, and welcome you here. Just click on that purchase button and be able to access this very, very insightful, helpful course. Thank you.